In this problem, we're asked to calculate the sample standard deviation. And the information that we're given is the monthly pizza cost as a list of values here for these classes. And then we're given the number of students for this particular cost. So if I were doing this by hand, I would find the midpoint of the first class. And to calculate the midpoint, what we do is we add consecutive lower limits and then divide by 2. So I'd add 10 plus 20, divide by 2 is 15. So the midpoint for the first class would be 15. And then I could do the same thing for the next part. Add 20 plus 30, divide by 2. So the midpoint for the second class is 25, and so on. But instead of doing this by hand, I'm going to use StatCrunch. So over here on the right-hand side, notice this little blue box that will allow us to open up in StatCrunch that information. Let me see if I can pull this over where we can see it a little better. Okay, so, and here our commands are very simple. We don't even have to calculate the midpoints. What we're going to do is go to Stat and go down to Summary Stats, and our information is grouped or bin data. And first thing we do is select the class, which is the monthly pizza cost. That's the bins. The counts are in the number of students. And the midpoints we've defined by averaging consecutive lower limits of the classes. And we want to find the standard deviation. So I select that and compute. And this is the answer to our problem, 11.89. So I hope that helps.